My name is Sean Bryant. I run my own company in the UK called CADFM Consultants Limited. I'm predominantly a one-man band providing training, consultancy, and also CAD standards. I use AutoCAD because it's probably the most versatile drafting tool out there. The idea being is you can pretty much draw anything with AutoCAD. It doesn't matter whether you're a mechanical engineer, an architect, a facilities manager or a facilities coordinator. It could be anything. The one thing that I do love about AutoCAD now is the interface. It's very intuitive, it's very flexible. You've got things like the right-hand mouse button click that brings up the shortcut menu. The ribbon is very flexible, not just in the way that it gives you all the commands, but the way that you display those commands. The legacy information is still there. If you still want to use the keyboard, you can. If you still want to go in and use the classic interface, you still can. The toolbars and the icons are still there. I'm now obviously using the ribbon, and what I try and do is encourage anybody I train or consult with to use the latest interface, the latest version. You've got a much better toolkit if you use the latest version of the software. Things like dynamic blocks, the block editor. Things like that are an absolute lifesaver, but they're a massive time saver as well. And the productivity gains when you look at the workflows are pretty impressive. My other favourite piece of Autodesk software, I think, right now has to be AutoCAD 360. It's a product that mobilises the desktop. So you're in essence taking your AutoCAD desktop with you wherever you go. I've been working with AutoCAD now, as I said, 25 years, and I'm still passionate about it.